come on out. Get your knife sharpened. It's a Craftsman. Sharpen the knife.
Hi.
Hi. You put your knife here. You get your knife. Sharpen knife. I love to.
From Eid.
Yes, for Eid tomorrow. Yes.
Tomorrow Eid.
Yes. I love Tunisia. It's very beautiful people, nice people.
Killing chips.
Yes.
Killing Tunisian chips.
Tunisian, yes. And the sun is right here. The sun is out. It's very hot, and you can get your knife up in here. Hi, brother. Great. We love Tunisia. Beautiful. Hot. America no good. No good. But this here, you get your knife sharpened. Y'all come on out here. It's beautiful and it's hot. And they're getting ready for Eid tomorrow. Woo-hoo. Have a nice day, brother. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.